Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect AvaTrade to MetaTrader 5. And for this, we click on the three lines left in the top, My Accounts, and then Accounts. And then from here, we scroll down and we want to create a demo account. So what we're gonna do right now is select here Add an Account, Demo Account, select here Trading Platform CFD MT5, and then the currency, decide what you want to use, but USD is fine. And then we do Submit. Then right now we click here on download platform and there it is, the AvaTrade MT5 EXE. So we click now on this, we do yes, click here on next, and now he is downloading the MetaTrader 5 terminal setup, 64 bits, and it will cost you, let's say around 20 seconds. And then after those 20 seconds, you can click here on finish. Then he's automatically opened the MT5. Make sure that you select right here the AvaTrade LTD. Then we do next. And now it's important that you click right here on connect with an existing trade account. Because from now we go back to our email and we want to use our login, so our username, and that is the amount of numbers that they send to your mail. Then right now we need to use our password also for a real account. So we will fill that in correctly. And then right now we click here on finish and boom, there it is. Now we just connected AvaTrade to MT5, MetaTrader 5. So this is how you can do this. Hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. Thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, please comment them below. So thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and ciao.